Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Steven Sunday from GREYTEST Design Consult, a leading name in construction project management. Today I'll be showing you how to use Primavera, and I'm going to show you how to schedule using Primavera. So what is Primavera? Primavera is a suite of enterprise project management software products developed by Oracle Corporation. It is widely used in industries such as construction, engineering, manufacturing, and energy to plan, manage, and execute projects of various sizes and complexities. And then we look at the key features and functionalities of Primavera. The first on our list is project planning. Primavera provides robust project planning capabilities, allowing users to define project scope, create work breakdown structures, and establish project schedules. It supports the use of activities, milestones, dependencies, and critical path analysis to effectively plan project timelines. And here also we have resource management. The software enables efficient resource management by allowing users to assign resources to project tasks and track resource utilization and balance workloads. It provides visibility into resource availability, helping organizations optimize resource allocation and prevent over allocation. And then we have cost management. Primavera offers comprehensive cost management tools to track project costs, budget, and expenditures. It enables users to define cost breakdown structures, allocate costs to activities, monitor actual costs, and generate cost reports for effective financial control. And we have risk analysis. Primavera facilitates risk analysis and management by providing features such as risk assessment, identification of high risk activities, and probabilistic analysis. It helps project managers assess potential risk and uncertainties and develop contingency plan to mitigate them. On our list, we have collaboration and communication. Primavera allows project teams to collaborate and communicate effectively by providing centralized project repositories, document management capabilities, and integration with communication tools. It enables real-time collaboration, document sharing, and communication between team members. And then we have progress tracking and reporting. The software offers tools to track project progress against planned schedules, monitor task completion, and capture actual project data. It provides reporting capabilities to generate progress reports, status updates, and performance metrics for stakeholders and management. And last on our list, we have integration and customization. Primavera can be integrated with other enterprise systems such as ERP and HR system to exchange data seamlessly. It also offers customization options to tailor the software to specific industry requirements or organizational processes. So let's jump into our software and look at how we schedule. We're going to make a simple schedule for a construction of a building, though we're not going to consider all the whole elements. So first we'll click on new here. Next, you can decide to fix the name, project name, construction of a building. Let's just leave it like this. So click next. You can decide to fix it and must finish. Here you can decide not to. Let's just fix 29. Select next, next, next. All right, so first then you click on project, click on activities, and then we start to add in our projects, our activities. So then we start by, let's say, site, clearance, next, okay, and then we add the next activity. Let's say topsoil excavation. Okay, then we add again, let's say trench. You can decide to add as many as you want, depend you're going to add your activities. So let's just leave it with this for the sake of example. So let's say you're done with this. The next thing you're going to do is to fix in your duration. So for site clearance, you can decide to fix in your duration, 3. You can decide to fix topsoil, let's say topsoil, 4, and let's leave trench for 5 days. So when you're done with this, the next thing you're going to do, you can decide to do this automatically. Okay, we can just decide to fix this and say topsoil will be after. Yeah. Okay, so you can decide to click on F9, or you schedule automatically. Okay, and you can decide not to. So as we said, we're leaving this on the 20th. So now the next thing you're going to do is to link the activities together. You can decide to come over here. When you get this, you click yep. Okay, you can come here also. Until you see that, and then okay, so this is how you link them here, and then you can decide to use this relationship lines, and we have connected them already. So the next thing you're going to do is you can also decide to enlarge here. You can decide to enlarge it. You can decide to go to your time scale and change the calendar type. You can decide to fix this as, you know, month or week, weekday 1, weekday 2. You see, you can decide to leave it this way, or you can decide not to. And then let's just link all of this into resources. So to add resource to all of these tasks, you can just click the button here. Okay, and then we start adding. You can see already start adding. You can add resource. add the type of resource SE1. You can choose the primary role, the unit of measurement. You can add orders. Okay. So let's add new resource. Let's say Mason. Next. Next. You can decide to put the price per unit here. Let's say $20 per hour. Next. You can put in all of this if you want to. Then you can decide to assign roles. Basically, I'm only teaching you how to schedule, so we can just click on finish, and then we can add again. So you can decide to add a different type of resource. You can decide to add different type of resource, and this time around you can decide to add material, non-labor, material, let's assume we're adding let's just use sound crate block. Alright, so back to our activities. What you do to assign, you just click it here. It's almost similar, and then you can choose any one of them. You assign, you come here, you can decide to assign. You can also assign. All right. So also you can decide to add a milestone. So let's see, work completed. So in order for you to make this a milestone, all you need to do is to go here and to change it into milestone. So we can just change the date and put it on 26, 27. Alright, so that's it with how you can schedule using Primavera.